Hi everyone, I am C. Today I will present my idea titled the Smart Ops Blueprint Empower SME. Small and medium enterprise, also known as SMEs, are the backbone of many economics. However, many small businesses face operational challenges every day, especially when it comes to manpower shortage, efficiency, and cost management. Today, I will share a smart and practical solution that help SME improve productivity without increased labor costs. Let me start with a story. I have a friend named Cecilia. Her family run a small grocery shop. Every year, especially during busy festivals like Chinese New Year, their shop become extremely crowded. Customers come in continuously and the store become very busy. However, they face many problems. First, there is staff shortage. There are not enough workers to serve all the customers. Second, customers become impatient because they have to wait too long time at the cashier. Third, the staff have to constantly check the store manually, which take a lot of time and energy. Because of this, the worker feels stressed and tired and also frustrations, especially during busy hours. This situation is actually very common among many SME. Now I would like to ask everyone two questions. First, what problems do you think SME face the most in their daily operation? Is it manpower shortage or maybe rising costs? Second questions, do you think most SME are ready to use smart operational tools? Some people might say yes, because technology is everywhere today. But others may say not, because many small businesses worry about high costs or complicated systems. These questions help us think deeply about the challenge SME face today. According to the survey conducted by the SME Chamber, employee shortage is one of the top concerns for small businesses. Many SME struggle to find workers, especially during busy periods. In addition, labor costs are increasing every year. This creates a difficult situation for small businesses. If they hire more employees, their operational costs increase. But if they do not hire enough employees, their service quality and efficiency decrease. So SMEs are facing a serious contradictions between manpower, productivity, and cost control. Now I move on to the problem. To better understand the problem, I conducted user research. For example, my mother friend's name Luis on a small food and beverage, which is F&B industry business. From his experience, many pain points become clear. First, slow service often lead to customer complaint. When customers wait too long for food or payment, they may become unhappy and choose another store next time. Second, there is a serious staff shortage during busy hours. Restaurants and shops are busy during lunchtime, dinner time, or festival. Even when businesses try to recruit workers, they often have to offer higher salary to attract applicants. But higher salary means higher labor costs. Because of these trends, many SME experience low efficiency in daily operations. From this finding, I identified some unfulfilled needs. Small businesses need a system that improves efficiency without hiring extra staff, a better balance between labor and cost, and simple and smart tools that reduce daily operational pressures. So, in short, the SME need a smarter ways to operate To solve this problem, we use the problem-solving method called TREES. TREES is a systematic innovations method used to solve contradictions in design and engineering. First, I frame a core problem. How can we boost operational efficiency for small business without increasing labor costs? This is a classic contradiction. Business want higher productivity, but they do not want higher expenses. Next, we focus on these three main issues: tight budget, stressed employees, low operational efficiency. Using three framework, we analyze the parameters. We want to improve productivity, but we want to avoid loss of energy, which is the efficiency. From this analysis, three principles were selected. Principle 1, prior actions. This means preparing work before busy period happen. For example, business can plan workforce schedule in advance. Tasks like inventory tracking, preparations, and tasks can be organized earlier. This reduce pressure during peak hours. Next is principle 2, replace mechanical system. This principle suggests replace manual processes with digital system. For example, digital POS system, online management tools, self-checkout kiosk monitor. These tools can repetitive tasks, saving time, and reducing errors. Parameter change. This means adjusting working conditions based on demand. For example, align staff schedule with peak hour, train employees to become multi-skilled. When employees can perform multiple roles, the team becomes more flexible and efficiency. So how does it help our solutions? So the first prior actions, our solutions has included the preparations, and we can know our sales amount, order amount. We have also many chat to know about the data. So which means that we have a prior actions. And the next is replace mechanical system. So because our solution is a system, and it also can connect with the mobile app and the self-checkout kiosk. If the business have available for this, we can connect technology. And the last one is the parameter change. So we have the AI scheduling and planning feature. So this actually help us to create solutions. Well, next one, I will talk about our prototype and test insight. So we developed the prototype systems based on these ideas. The prototype includes several components. First is a digital POS system, online management dashboard, self-checkout kiosk monitoring, performance metric tracking, hourly traffic chart, and also many chat data. These tools help business owners monitor operational in real time. After testing the concept, we observe several results. First, what worked well? Digital automation significantly improved efficiency, flexible staffing, and employees upskilling help business handle busy period without hiring more workers. However, we also find some challenge. Some employees need extra time to learn the new digital tools. In addition, suddenly schedule adjustment, which use the AI planning and scheduling will temporarily affect the team work. Feel like confusion, but overall the result was positive. Most users believe the system would reduce the workload and improve the productivity. In the long run, based on our research and testing, we developed the Smart Ops SME system. The big idea is very simple. This is a tree-driven, low-cost operational system that combines digital automations, online management tools, AI-based staff scheduling. The goal is to maximize productivity and service quality without hiring additional employees. This solution is highly relevant because it directly addresses the main challenge SME face today. manpower shortage, rising labor costs, employees burnout, operational inefficiency. Another important advantage is flexibility. The system uses affordable digital tools and simple workflow adjustment. It does not require expensive equipment or complicated technology. This makes it suitable for small businesses with limited budget. The smart ops system can create several positive impacts. First, it helps improve workplace well-being. When operations become more organized and automated, employees experience less stress. Second, it increases productivity without forcing workers to handle unfair workload. Third, it supports SDGs, decent work and economic growth by improving working conditions and efficiency. SME can create more sustainable business from an ESG perspective. The system also promote responsible management practice. In real-world applications, these solutions can be used in many industries such as retail, stock, food and behavioral industry, and small service company. Almost all small business face labor shortage during peak hours. Therefore, this solution provides better human resource management, cost efficiency, and sustainable operation. Most importantly, the system is scalable and user-friendly. It can be adopted by many small businesses without heavy investment. In conclusion, our Smart Ops SME system demonstrates that small businesses do not have to choose between productivity, cost control, and employee well-being. With the right combinations of digital tools, smart scheduling, and efficient workflow, SME can achieve higher productivity, lower operational costs, and a happy and healthy employees. In other words, smart ops turn that once seemed like an impossible trade-off into sustainable success. Finally, we invite SME to explore the Smart Ops SME system. Businesses can scan the QR code to learn more and register for a 3-month free trial. And also, it can receive a discount. Our goal is to help small businesses grow stronger, work smarter, and earn higher profit with minimal cost. Together, we can build an efficient, resilient, and sustainable future for SME. Thank you very much for your attention. That's all from me.